This is Excel Lesson 6, and I am in the Formatting Cells with Styles step by step. A style is a set of formatting attributes that you can apply to a cell or a range of cells more easily than by setting each attribute individually. Cell Styles is located in the Styles group of the Home tab. Excel provides a gallery of preset cell styles. I've opened the '06 Contosa Cell Styles workbook from the data files in this lesson, and I'm in sheet 1 as the active sheet. I'm going to select cell A1, and then in the Styles group, I'm going to select the Cell Styles button. And from the gallery, I'm going to go to the Titles and Headings section and select Heading 1 to apply it to cell A1. Now select cell A2. Notice that these are merged and centered cells. I'm going to go back to my cell style gallery, and in the themed cell styles, I'm going to select accent 1. This gives me a blue background with white text in cell A2. Now I'm going to select A8 through D8. I'm going to go back to cell styles to my titles and headings. This time I'm going to select total. Bold is applied, a thin blue border above, a double underline under the range of cells. All in one click. We'll save this workbook in our class folder. Add solution to the end of the file name. And add our last name and first name to the beginning of the file name before we submit it to this assignment.